What if I tell you that you can land a job in artificial intelligence without even knowing coding? And you don't have to spend any money on expensive courses and degrees. Trust me, guys, this is the reality of thousands of people globally, and it could be yours too. Because in 2025, companies they just don't want AI developers. They want AI testers, AI thinkers, AI trainers, AI creators. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can transform your career path into artificial intelligence. So we are going to discuss about what roles are exploding in AI right now and the skills that you need with the free learning paths and how you can break into artificial intelligence even if you're starting from zero. So guys, if you're watching this video and you're a job seeker or just wants to transition your career into artificial intelligence, this video is going to be very helpful for you. So watch the entire video because the best part is yet to come. Artificial intelligence is not the future. It is the present. It is now. It's already writing codes for you. It's already making presentations for you. And it's already replacing a lot of jobs. At the same time, artificial intelligence is creating a lot of jobs. Sadly, many people they don't know that these jobs exist. So let me tell you something really crazy. In 2025, 60% of the global organizations are hiring for artificial intelligence adjacent roles even at the entry level. That means that these jobs are highly paying and you can work remotely as they are the global jobs. You don't need to be a genius or an expert in order to crack these roles, but you just need to know what the job titles are and how these jobs look like. So guys, let me tell you 7 most trending artificial intelligence job titles in the global market. And let me be honest with you, I know most of you haven't heard even half of these job titles exist in the global market. Number 1 is AI prompt engineer, which is extensively highly paying job. So an AI prompt engineer just have to write clever and thoughtful prompts and give instructions to tools like ChatGPT so that the tool itself can give meaningful outcomes of these prompts. Number 2 is AI product manager. So an AI product manager has got nothing to do with coding. It's only about thinking and creating strategies that how artificial intelligence can be implemented to various platforms. It can be apps, it can be websites, it can be automation in order to attain the objectives. Number 3 is AI ethicist. An AI ethicist ensures that AI is fair, it is working non-biased and absolutely safe to use. Trust me guys, organizations are hiring for this and it is highly paying job. Number 4 is AI labeler, which is all about training and helping AI models by feeding and entering the clean and the structured data in the models. Number 5 is AI chatbot trainer. It's all about enhancing the customer service experience by training the chatbots. Also, by using the natural language tools, enhancing the customer service is the main objective. Number 6 is an AI content creator. So an AI content creator actually creates content by using AI tools. And this content can be videos, audios, it can be social media engaging posts, blogs, advertisements. An AI content creator actually gets very high salary. And number 7, which is machine learning engineers. This is a very high in demand job role and it is actually for those technically sound people who want to deep dive into the algorithms. Did you see the pattern here? If you understand these 7 job roles, you'll get to know that these are not only for coders. It is for strategists, thinkers, analysts, designers, creators as well. So guys, If you'd have to transform your career path into artificial intelligence, which job role you're going to pick? Write it in the comment section. So guys, how would you go from just curious to job ready in artificial intelligence? Well, let me tell you, you don't need to know everything, but you need to know a little bit about three main areas that we are going to discuss now. So number one is core skills. The first part of core skills is to know Python. Let me tell you guys, you don't need to be a developer or be an expert in Python, but Python is essential because AI understand Python. That's the language of AI. The second part of core skills is maths and statistics. Again, you don't need to be an expert in maths and statistics, but you should know it good enough in order to understand that how AI model things. And guys, you can learn the core skills absolutely free of cost through freeCodeCamp or AI for Everyone by Google. So these are the two such platforms which you can take help of in order to learn the core skills. Number two is you need to have the basic idea of what AI tool is being used for what purpose. For this, you can take help of ChatGPT. You should know how to write the basic prompts in order to fetch information from ChatGPT. And number three, soft skills. So organizations are very keen on understanding the soft skills of an individual before they hire that person for an AI role. There can be questions that HR can ask you, like, are you a critical thinker? Or can you ask questions smartly? Can you use AI responsibly and with all fair use? All these things would fall under soft skills. Alright guys, I'm quite sure that you'd be having one question in your mind right now, that after learning the skills, how would you get the job experience? Because job experience is something that the companies are going to ask you primarily. Not to worry, watch the video further. Number one, in order to get experience, you can actually start with your own mini projects. For example, you can create a chatbot by using GPT APIs. Or maybe you can predict your own mark sheet with the help of machine learning. Or maybe you can create a resume screener and upload it on GitHub and share it on LinkedIn so that others can also use it. These kind of projects would actually help you in adding value to your resume. Number two, you can join open source AI projects platforms. For example, Hugging Face or GitHub. There are many more as well. So these platforms are offering real world AI projects that you can contribute to, and that is absolutely free of cost. Number three, you can actually get into any hackathons or challenges. You can win such competitions and ultimately add experience to yourself. There are a lot of such gigs which are available on platforms like turning.com, or maybe you can enter into Kaggle competitions and win any challenges to get experience. Alright guys, now we have understood the job roles, we know how to get the skills and how to get the experience. With this, we are moving on to the best part of the video, which is to get a 6 months roadmap in order to get the job in artificial intelligence. Alright, so here's what your journey could look like in the next 6 months. So for the first and second month, you can start learning Python language from the open sources, of course, and make sure that your foundation of the language becomes strong. You don't have to be an expert, but make sure that you understand the language, because that's the language what AI also understands. Next is, you should also understand how the neural networks work. It will help you in identifying how the models would think. So understanding neural networks is really imperative. Or you can also start building your first mini project in these first 2 months as well. Moving on to month 3 and 4, you can start building your portfolio and upload it on GitHub. Also, you can start connecting with AI recruiters over LinkedIn. Make sure that you share your portfolio with AI recruiters. By doing this, your LinkedIn feed will improve, and very soon you'll start looking at the job postings by these AI recruiters or such similar recruiters. You can also practice prompt engineering on daily basis, which is very essential. By doing this practice, you'll be able to put short and precise prompts in order to get the best results from artificial intelligence. Moving on to month 5 and 6, now you can actually start applying to internships, entry-level jobs, or even start applying to freelance gigs. Keep checking the freelance gigs platforms, and whatever work you are taking, make sure that you start documenting that. By doing this, the companies would eventually start identifying you and will reach out to you whenever they have any open vacancies or opportunities for you. So guys, 6 months is all what you need in order to get your dream job in AI. These strategies has actually helped thousands of individuals to get their dream jobs, and you can be the next. Write down in the comment box how do you feel about the strategies, and once you start following them, till what stage you have reached. Also, if you want me to create more content on such topics, do mention the topics as well. Thank you very much for watching the video. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends, relatives, or anyone that you feel like. Thank you once again.